Hi, friends. It's Pam, the Ginger Cat Lady, and I've got another nostalgic Christmas journal looking for its forever home. This one is Santa's Toy Shop, created from a 1977 Little Golden Book. This journal is available for $105 plus shipping. The original story is fully intact and in order, with no alteration to the storybook pages. I've kept the original Golden Book spine, this time in red, on the cover, and added a fabric-covered soft spine with a tassel for strength and style. Inside, you'll find 38 sheets of paper, 76 total pages. There are over 20 handmade pieces of ephemera, plus lots of decorated pages and journaling spots. I've included hand-dyed papers, pockets made from vintage book page, machine stitching, lace, ruffles, ribbon-topped paper clips, stickles, flat-back gems, and more. It's a cheerful, playful holiday keepsake that captures the magic of Santa's workshop. Let's flip through the pages together. So that's Santa's Toy Shop, a 1977 little golden book transformed into a handmade junk journal with decorated pages, hand-dyed papers, and over 20 pieces of ephemera. This journal is priced at $105 plus shipping. As always, there's only one, so once this journal finds its new home, it's gone. If you'd like to adopt Santa's Toy Shop, just send me an email. My email address is listed below in the description. I'll create a square invoice with the exact shipping included, and once that's paid, this journal will be on its way to you the very next day. Thank you so much for supporting me in this new journey. It's been such a joy sharing these handmade keepsakes with you. And, as always, may your scraps be endless and your glue never dry. See you in the next one. Bye.